Yeah, because recently people's phone has been stolen with the current economic situation of the country, and we all know that phones are very, very expensive, and most of us. So today I'm going to be showing you step-by-step process on how you can actually protect your SIM card from theft. Yes, you'll be surprised why I said theft. Yeah, because of the current situation of the country, many people phone are getting lost or stolen at one point in time. And also, when their phone are stolen, the first thing that the people that stole it actually do with it is actually trying to get access to your bank details. And how they get access to your bank details? They can request an OTP pin into your account and thereby hacking your account. So how can you prevent this? You can actually make your SIM card actually
Why did no one tell me this?
useless to them when it gets stolen.
Oh my God! Wow!
Maybe when your phone might get stolen, paying you, but
Loud noises!
you be rest assured that your account details are saved.
Huh?
Yes, so how can you do this? You can actually do this by creating a SIM pin on your SIM card, whereby they put, even though no matter wherever they put that SIM card into, that phone automatically become useless unless they can actually put in that pin, and most times it's useless. Please like and follow for more updates like this. Thank you. Peace out.